way. I would be out off my mobile van, but I mean, if anything, your best bet is on Lincoln and Ocean. That direction. Okay. Hey Larry, sorry to be a bother. Is that the one in the picture that I'm gonna be doing? Sorry, for sure. Gotcha. Okay. Thanks. Is that right? Yeah, I can tell it's heavy. Yeah. Shoot. True. I can get you a bag. I got one. Yeah. Mhm. Got it. Okay. Yeah, that next door neighbor. You're not. It's okay, right? Just yeah. Okie dokie. Good. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you said perfect too. Yeah, no worries. I like it. Yeah, you said it right away, like you know, like it should be, like it's supposed to be said. People get it wrong. You go moshi. So yeah. Yes. Yeah. All right, on. There you go. That's cool. That's cool. I didn't expect this. Yeah, man. That was. Yeah, no, you're very welcome. You know. That additional isn't going to make us any richer. You know what I mean? They're not going to make us any richer. You know it. It's our alphabet. You know. It is. Awesome. So totally. I have everything recorded as we speak too. So you know, you'll see. I mean, if you'd like to be you know, you know, if you yeah. Right, it's got to be a steel one. A steel one, yeah. You bet. Thank you for your trusty. I really appreciate that. That was cool, man. I was all the way out here, and she was like, "Well, I already told you." You know, I was like, "Oh, shoot." I could tell. Oh, right. That's why I was like, I was like, "Yep, you're right. No problem. I'll talk to them. I mean, you know, I'll get that taken care of another day, like that." But I did let her know that I was not. She knows that, you know. And I was letting her know that I spoke to you and everything, and like, she at least, you know, she's not left out, because it was nice for her to even like help out. So you know, cool. Thank you. Sorry. Will do. Thank you. You bet. Bye bye. Bye bye. What now? I was at Best Buy by La Brea and Santa Monica, and I purchased a CPU from Pico and Satel. Best Buy was absolutely rude. Didn't want to accept anything, although the computer was bought from you guys, and the CPU was advised by the company that I bought the PC at your branch, which is CyberPower PC. Can you call me 310-709-0301 question mark. Jesus. and they basically said it was not compatible when I called them to install and do the updates. This is what we wait for. Can't think what to find out. Can't. Not deal with this.